Welcome, children! Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Hakim. This special name means Allah is the wise judge who makes the best decisions. When we say Allah is Al-Hakim, it means He is perfectly wise and fair. He knows what's best for everyone, and everything He does has a special purpose. Just like when your parents help you and your siblings share toys fairly, Allah is the most wise and helps everyone get what they need in the best way. Allah's wisdom can be seen in how He created day and night. During the day we can play and learn, and at night we can rest and sleep. Isn't that perfect? When we try to be wise like Allah, we can solve problems kindly. Like when friends disagree about a game, they can take turns and both be happy. We can show wisdom in our daily life by being kind to others, listening to our parents, and making good choices like eating healthy food and helping friends. Allah's wisdom is everywhere. Look at how bees make honey, how flowers grow from tiny seeds, and how birds know where to fly. These are all signs of Allah's perfect wisdom. Remember, dear children, Allah is Al-Hakim, the wise judge. When we try to be wise and fair like Allah teaches us, we make the world a better place.